Kind of nervous about being overly sexualized. Oh, and also Jesse James West can hit my line any day. Someone tell him I said that. What are your likes and dislikes about the fitness industry? Whoo! Oh God, where should I start? Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we have someone new here. I got a mic, man. Ain't that cool? I'm excited. Now y'all can hear my voice, my sweet, sweet voice, up close and personal. All right, that's enough of that. Welcome everyone to my 500 subscriber special. 500 people think I'm cool, which I am. So I can see why they would think that. I'm gonna do 500 squats for all of my 500 subs out there. Originally I was gonna wear like a hoodie and just be chill, but then I was like, nah, I'm gonna wear this cool ass dress because I'm here to celebrate today. I thought it would be a little bit more entertaining for me to squat in this. I'm gonna get this done for all of you just to say thank you. I guess one squat for every person to say thank you. I don't know. So let's pour this wine. That's a lot, right? Shit. Oops. I didn't mean to pour that much. God damn. All right. Turn it up in this bitch. So I just want y'all to grab a drink. It doesn't have to be alcohol. It could be a protein shake, man. Let's all take a sip, shall we? To celebrate. Cheers. Clink. All right. We are partying in this video. You hear me? Me and you. We're having a freaking party in this video today. To start this party off, we're gonna get into the squats, but I figured it would be just a tad bit boring just to watch me do 500 squats. Like I said, we're here to party.
We're here to have fun. We're having fun in this video, okay? Or else I'm gonna turn this car around.
All right, I figured while I do the squats, like I'll put the squats in a little tiny, little dude right here, and then I will answer some questions because I told y'all on Instagram as well to ask me some questions and I will answer them in this video. So this is going to be like a little Q&A, if you will, because I know I got a lot of new people here. I've gained a lot of subs in the past few days and the past few weeks. It's like, whoa. It's so fucking cool and I'm so happy y'all are here. Since we have so many new members here on the channel, so many new Swole babies, which by the way, I'll get into the Swole baby thing later, but you put a little pin on that, okay? I'm gonna come back to that. So I figured y'all need a little bit of like a introduction. Who is Mama Swole? She's your mother, your Swole mother. Do you like that? Because when I get merch, I kind of want to put that on the merch. All right, anyways, let's do it. First question. This one isn't really a question, it's more of a statement, but somebody said, can't wait for the 1,000,000 special with 1,000,000 squats. I don't think I could ever do 1,000,000 squats. I've probably done 1,000,000 in my lifetime. Yeah, that's funny. I just thought I'd share that because maybe you'll find it funny too. I don't know. Hopefully you do. Oh, let's start with this. Why did you start working out? So I don't really have a cool answer for this. I wish I did, but basically when Instagram came out, I was like, oh, these people got these nice ass bodies. I want a nice ass body. My friend, Zach, he had lost a ton of weight and I was like, hey Zach, could you train me? And then he did. I really just wanted abs. So he told me that if I started lifting, then I would get abs. So that's why I started lifting weights. I know that's so fucking lame. I wish I had a cooler story. I'm sorry. Ooh, this is a good one. Who is your favorite fitness inspiration? CT Fletcher, absolutely. He is just so fucking cool. He's an amazing person. First 50 down. That wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna lie though, when I got to like 30, I was like, this is bad. I actually met him. I went to train at his gym last summer. Top five fucking coolest moments of my life. And he was so nice. Can we take a sip for CT? Let's take a sip for CT Fletcher, everybody. Pinky out. I have a fun fact. When I met him, I asked him, CT Fletcher, what is your best life advice? And he said, to love everyone. He said that's what his mom taught him. And he said, even the people that I don't like, even the mean people. And she was like, yeah, you gotta love them too. And I was like, damn. That's deep. I just love him, man. I know, y'all didn't expect that, did ya? You probably expected me to say fucking Chloe Ting, huh? You're gonna find out. I am a meathead trapped in a small girl's body. All right, next question. How old are you? Wait, old are you? Why is that funny? I don't know. I know what you meant. How old are you? But that's funny. I am... Take a guess. I want everyone to guess how old I look. And I bet everyone's gonna be like, 12? People always think I'm like this child. I'm 25, man. I'm not a child, okay? I know I look like one. 100 down. We are 1/5 of the way there, people. Oh my god. This is more cardio than anything. Anyways, you want to know what's funnier than 24? 25. Anyone know that reference? If you know that reference, you better comment below. What's your background? College. Okay, here we go. This is the story. This is the big story. After I started working out, I was at a point in my life where I was like, damn, I don't know what to do with my life. I went into fashion at first, but then I realized that my passion was lifting. I know that might sound kind of dumb to some people, but I love lifting. And then I was like, maybe I should try exercise science. I switched majors and I freaking loved exercise science, man. I still love it. I think it's fascinating. The human body is fascinating. So then I graduated from Kent State with a bachelor's degree in exercise science. Biatch. And then after that, I don't like talking about myself. I'm sorry. Is that like an introvert thing? Do introverts not like talking about themselves? I don't know. But I'll just say it because I know someone wants to know, right? 150 down, baby. Someone cares, right? After I graduated, I got certified as an exercise physiologist through the American College of Sports Medicine. Biatch. And then I feel like I'm flexing. I'm not trying to flex, man. Well, after that, I moved to Italy. I trained men and women in the Air Force in Italy, or Air Force personnel, Air Force humans. I trained humans in the Air Force. That was an amazing experience. I loved living over there. I miss it dearly. But then I left there and came to Los Angeles. It's literally always been a dream of mine to move to Los Angeles. I freaking love it. Love it, love it, love it. I've done some online training and in-person training, personal training. I love personal training. Absolutely love it. It is the most amazing job in the world, in my opinion. That's pretty much my background. Your girl didn't start this shit yesterday. T, right? What else? Are you a mom? Do you have kids? Fuck no. Children irk me, so absolutely not. Next question. What breed is your dog? Oh, my dog, Suki. All right, y'all, here we go. 50 more. Dude, I don't really remember what number we're on. Fuck. Pretty sure we're on 250. She is an Akita Inu, a Japanese Akita Inu. I love her. I don't know where she's at. She's normally chilling in here. Why are you called Mama Swole? I get this question a lot. Whenever I was in college, I was lifting a box. Such an interesting story so far, right? And then my friend was like, you're one swole mama. And I was like, yeah, Mama Swole. And then ever since then, people started calling me that. So it just kind of stuck. I'm the one and only Mama Swole. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Are you in a relationship? Yes, I am. I am in a very loving and dedicated relationship with this man. We are very happy together. He doesn't necessarily know who I am, but we're in love. I know those were not to death, but give me a break. Okay, it's 500. Oh, and also, Jesse James West can hit my line any day. Someone tell him I said that. What? Oh, oof. We're getting into it, folks. Okay, this is a deep question, and I'm excited to answer this question. What are your likes and dislikes about the fitness industry? Whoo! Oh god, where should I start? Okay, my likes. I like that the fitness industry is so like close-knit. You know what I mean? I could comment on one of Jeremy's videos, a joke about Omar, and people get the joke. I just think that's so cool. I don't think there's a lot of industries like that. I just think everybody in the fitness industry, like everybody knows everybody, and you know, everybody's chill for the most part. People are funny. Obviously, I like the fact that it helps people and fitness changes people's lives. I love that, but I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of dislikes about the fitness industry as well. Okay, so let me tell you another story, all right? Yep. Still going strong. So whenever I first made my YouTube channel, I didn't want to make just fitness content because I was like, the fitness industry is so oversaturated. And I'm just going to say this. It's very discouraging to see people in this industry that don't have a background, that don't know what they're talking about, and that scam people. And they're so popular. Y'all know the kind of people I'm talking about, right? I'm talking about the kind of people that get ass implants and then tell you to buy their glute workout, their booty program. That's not even how they got it. So they scam people because they lie about their plastic surgery. Did y'all think these were Photoshop? These are real. Aren't they funny? I think these are absolutely hilarious. Anyways, it's discouraging to see that shit. But then one day I came to my senses like a freaking boss. So that's 400, I think, right? And I only have 100 more. I think on the last round, I'm just gonna try to knock out all 100. And I was like, you know what? Fitness is my passion. I have a background in this, and y'all need me, man. I can't abandon you guys. You need me. For real, there needs to be more people in this industry that are here to help people and not here to scam people. Drop mic. I'm not gonna drop this. It was very expensive. I just feel that whenever you're having self-image issues, that's a very tough thing physically and mentally, right? And it's a very vulnerable thing to go through, and for people to take advantage of people that are going through something that's so difficult is fucked up. On to the next. Are you we're gonna go to the next question. Come on, man. I guess I did say ask anything, so anyways. What are your future ambitions and dreams? Oh, I like this question because I like talking about it. I want to have my own merch one day. Mama Swole merch. Ooh, that's got a nice ring to it, right? I'll get some stringers, some Mama Swole stringers. Yeah, we'll get a whole bunch of shit, man. We'll get some dumbbells, Mama Swole dumbbells. I would love to have that. My other future goals and dreams, I'm trying to take over the fitness industry. So I'm glad y'all are here to join me on the takeover, baby, because we're here. We're here and we're strong. Mama Swole strong. That sounds good too. I feel like I'm stealing that for somebody. I just want to make a huge impact here in this YouTube field, in this fitness field. I literally am so excited for what's to come because I believe in myself and you should too. All right. That's enough cheese on that sandwich. Oh, by the way, let's talk about this real quick. So originally when I made this channel, it was gonna be geared towards women. My first ever video was about, don't go watch it, don't. I'm embarrassed of it now. But my first ever video was about if you're a woman and you're intimidated by the gym. Like I was trying to help women who were scared, but then now when I look at my analytics, a majority of my audience is men. So I don't know if y'all want to be called swole babies. I would like to thank all the little people. I did it. I'm so proud of myself. I told you I would do it. I told you. You didn't believe me. You didn't believe me, did you?
Did I believe you about what?
That I do 500 squats.
I didn't see it. Again. Come on.
All right. What's gonna be the name of the Mama Swole fan base? I don't want to call you fans. That's weird. No, we're not fans. We're friends. We are all one. All my subscribers, what are we gonna call ourselves? Because we have to build a freaking team, man. Mom Swole team. Nah, not that. I don't like that name, so I hope y'all don't like it. But seriously, please leave suggestions below. Because originally I was gonna say Swole babies. I don't know, unless y'all want to be called that. I like it. But if y'all don't like it, it's cool. I just want everyone to be happy here on this channel. Like I said, we're all gonna have fun here. That wraps up this Q&A for today. I just want to be a little cheesy once again. We're gonna put a little bit more cheese on the sandwich, okay? I know it's like 500 and to some people that might not be that much, but to me that's fucking cool. I'm excited to have y'all here. I just want to say thanks to everyone that subscribed so far, and I really do appreciate you. I really freaking do. I just want to make y'all laugh and cry, and maybe not cry. I'm sure none of y'all want to really cry. I want to teach because I am Mama Swole and my job is to teach my children. Swole children, you guys like that? Maybe that? No? Let me know. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody that is subscribed. And if you're not, what the heck are you doing, man? Clearly we have a good time. We're having a party over here. So hit that subscribe button to see more from yours truly, Mama Swole. I hope that you found this video entertaining, and if you did, make sure you give it a like for your girl. Like I said, we have to take over. So in order for that to happen, we gotta hit the like button so my video can be spread to more people. You know, the algorithm. You guys know how it works, right? Comment and share this. Turn the bell notification on so we can grow, so we can be the strong swoles. No, I don't like that either. We're all in this together, all right? You're in it now, okay? You can't leave. We gotta grow together. So give me a like and all that shit. Have yourself a good ass day. Deuces.